Hi everyone, today we are going to study why scientists are spending years studying one tiny cell that's even invisible to the naked eye. Because understanding this could change how you think about healing and the future of medicine. The incredible cell is stem cell. So stay with me until the end because what makes these tiny cells so incredible might completely change the way you think about your own body. Now, think of your body like a house. Mhm. Every single day, tiny amounts of damage happen inside it. Just like our body, cells wear out, tissues get injured, part of your body needs replenishing. So, how does your body keep repairing itself? One important part of this process is stem cell doing the work. Unlike most cells, stem cells aren't locked into just one job. They become different type of cells when your body needs them and help support the repair of damaged tissues. That's why scientists are so fascinated about them. Here's even what is more interesting. When we are young, stem cells are generally more active. But as we get older, both their number and activity naturally decline. As that happens, the body's repair process can become slower too. Researchers around the world are studying stem cells because they have really shown remarkable potential in medicine. In some areas, stem cells-based treatment are already helping certain patients, while researchers continue exploring how they might be used to repair damaged tissues and treat more diseases in the future. Although there is much to learn, each new discovery brings us closer to understanding how the body's own repair system works and how that knowledge could help more people live healthier lives. This raises an important question. Mhm. If stem cells help the body repair itself, what actually happens when they become fewer as we age? The answer might explain more than you think. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video.